thought making a video about the reality of living in Bali on, I don't know how to call it, and not the heaven part, also the hell part, like how it really feels, how it feels to live here if you are not rich, to live in a luxurious villa somewhere in quiet peace and silence. That's very hard to find. I've been living here for almost a year, but if your budget is not very high to live in a luxurious private villa, that won't be that pleasant. First of all, what you have to deal with is the noise. In 1 year, living here, living in different places, different areas and provinces, I could not find a quiet, silent place, only one, which is affordable. So you would have to deal with these crazy motorbikes which are passing on the road every 10 seconds at least, which are super noisy, making it very annoying. Otherwise you should go north, I think northern Buleleng and those kind of places which are more secluded. On the rises maybe you can find some quiet places, but not where it's populated. Then is the traffic, of course. The traffic is notorious, crazy, dangerous, and you have to be very careful all the time. Okay, we had once one accident, luckily not very injured. Didn't have too bad injuries, but it wasn't our fault, just someone just jumped down the road and they had no 2 seconds to brake, so we drive on, being happy that all three hurt. This is the reality, because there are no walking paths here. It just simply doesn't exist in Bali. It's non-walkable. Not so much, huh? What we can find here. Maybe go back, no?
Yeah.
Can buy chicken. Come to this street market to find some cheaper food. Eat something to Regina's trying to find this environment. Banana. My favorite fruit is banana. So many bananas. How much? 18, 1 kilo. That's good price, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, we buy. You choose green?
No, yellow.
No, it's okay.
16. Oh, 16.
Okay. 16. Regina buys some bananas. It's 18 per kilo.
Here is nothing.
Okay. Welcome Welcome to the market. Not fine chicken.
Ya, tapi caranya itu udah banyakan apanya kan beda jadinya. Tomatnya jangan
Lime is always a good choice.
dipotong-potong untuk digoreng kan nggak
I don't like this one. I don't know what they are called, but
ini juga mulutnya kasar.
what's this step? Tempe?
Tempe.
Tempe. Tempe is actually Indonesian so-called invention. If you didn't know, fun fact. Everything takes time. Take it easy, calm down if you can. She forgot to buy chicken. Oh my god, this is a new video I see. Yeah. Forgot to buy chicken. Need to come back. Surely forgot many things.
Saya 15.000 aja dapat yang Facebook sama video.
Oh my god, today is so hot. I don't know how many centimeters.
Yeah, how hot it is. It's crazy. 31. When it's sunny feels like mati.
30.
Yeah. But because the humidity feels like 35, no? Regina is a little bit different than other locals. Doesn't protect her skin. The white beauty standards doesn't apply for him. Oh, her, sorry. Yes, by What, sayang?
You.
You. Yeah.
Apa itu? Ayam. Hati.
Mau masak pun.
Come back, baby, come back. We are coming back. I have been shopping.
Near our home is better because still have so many options.
Yeah. And here is a bit dirty, no? I mean,
Because traditional market is
yeah, traditional market is Southeast Asia. So. Okay, let's go. Yeah. 2000 for parking is a norm. Tradition. Ui. Today Regina drives, even this motorbike is super high for her short legs. Even Scoopy, she doesn't rage. How about this one? Yeah. Yeah, so in Indonesia you have to pay parking every single time you stop somewhere, so it's, I could say definitely it's more expensive than the gas. Just try not to stop so many times. It's only 2,000, but it's when you stop the engine you already paid 2,000.
This motorbike is so big.
The laundries here were not that many tourists. They have honest price originally like 20,000 per kilo, but if you are a bit in Kuta or somewhere, it's easily go up to 80 because you can see, there is only we who expose our skin here. Everyone is very well protected, so dangerous almost, you see? With small kid, no helmet, nothing. Local can do it. If foreigners without helmet, already 500,000 fine. We already experienced that. So hot, it's really hot. Yes, it's really super hot, unbearable heat in the sun. I'm back to another. Buy more food. Again, I need coffee. No, I don't like so much. Don't think it has too much taste. This one, but if you like, you can buy if you like.
Tomatnya 5.000, cabai. Ada ikan, Pak.
I saw that many tourists or YouTuber or vloggers coming to Southeast Asia, they don't know what is this. They didn't see that fruit that much. It's called snake fruit. Honestly, me too. I saw it first time in Indonesia around 10 years ago. So yeah, a big discomfort factor are those very loud motorbikes, which are like fashion here, I think. Yeah, it must be hot for them too. Apparently they need some extra shade. Buy a lot of stuff.
Ini buat apa ya, Kak?
My dear. Soon more expensive than eating out. It's like too many. Kamu noise banga. I could not live with these birds in the same house.
Iya, Kak, ya. 5 sama 5, 10. 2.000. 2.000.
Look how much she buys, so heavy. But I know what's gonna happen. Maybe we'll get bad in the fridge, no? Yeah, this is our gym. Unboxing.
Many fruit, no?
Yeah, so many. Luckily there is space in this fridge, no? finally sunny, we can try some glow. I go no surfing today. And yes, the eternal construction never ends. No, that's not